Today in finno-ugric machining we are doing cleanup. We are cleaning up the backside of the Schaublin milling machine. The reason for this is because now at the moment it's suitably facing towards my workshop. Later on it would be a little bit, and not just a little, it would be more difficult to remove all this dirt. There will be oil, grinding dust, everything that is available for a machine like this. In addition to that, we are going to do some measurements on the motor. So let's go to work. This is the backside of the milling machine. And these two switches are the light switches of my workshop. In order to reach them, I have to wiggle my big belly between the machine and the outdoor. The top of the backside has this back gearbox, and there is this oil filling cap and a lot of dirt around it. Going a little bit down of this gearbox, we can find the oil gauge, which shows, you can tell there is oil. And then a little bit more down, and everything is covered with this black stuff, which probably comes out of the belts, but I assume there might be some grinding dust or similar. We have to take it off. And this one is the motor, and it is covered by this same black stuff. Really bad. And furthermore, going even more down, it becomes exponentially worse. And this has to be cleaned up. Well, I'm just wondering how this stuff arrived here. Shouldn't. This is my weapon against the dirt. Yep. Well, in order to reach every place, we need to take off the motor. These are the connections which I of course need to disconnect. But first, let's measure the play of the shaft. This is the arrangement, magnetic base with the dial indicator. It measures in 1/100th of a millimeter. Let's see how much it moves. I'm just pushing the axle by my hand. Well, 5/100th of a millimeter, about 2 thou. This is the motor now, removed. These are the mounting brackets, removed. And this is how it looks now. A lot of dirt, really a lot. So, and that one is the cooling pump. It has to go also off from there. It's attached by 3 bolts, and of course in this case I have to remove the wires as well. Original cover for the wires. Yeah. Now I have removed the bump and most of the dirt, but I did not remove this yet. This is the nightmare. And this is the pump one time more. I just wonder how it managed to pump anything from there. This is my cleaning tool. And this is the result of the cleanup. And this is the result of the cleanup. It's not clean yet. There is oil, fluid, whatever. We have to take that off too. And now I have taken it off. And let's go in there to see how it looks like there. Okay. Cozy. And this is the front of the machine. The coolant tank is divided by this plate with holes in it. And this is the left wall. It's not particularly clean. And this is the left back corner. Well, I need to clean it up. No roof. And this is the right back corner. Okay. More cleanup to do here as well. This is the right side. And still no roof. That's funny. And of course, more cleanup to do. And this is the right front corner, and it's, more cleanup to do, I assume the front part is even worse. We probably need to take most out of there and then somehow flush this coolant tank. Okay, I think we have seen it all. Yeah, it looks quite a lot of better than it did. And how did I remove the oil there? This is some ordinary soap water and a brush. Yeah. This is the coolant pipe. It pipes the coolant. It goes all the way up to here. I need to open it and see if there are inside some blocking things. And the hose used to be flexible. It's no more flexible. Have to replace that one. All in all, way better than it used to be. Good job, I think. Okay, it wasn't too bad, actually. Somehow I like this kind of cleaning. It's brain-free. You don't need to think anything. You just remove the dirt, and there you go. It's relaxing. Okay. So let us see. Next time it will be maybe the motor. Let us see. Okay? Till next time. Bye.